शाम भी कहती है, ये सुबह भी कहती है और ये शाम भी कहती है। मेरी माने या ना माने, मेरी जुबान तो आज सभी को सलाम कहती है। नमस्कार, गुड इवनिंग एंड सत श्री अकाल। A very good evening to all you beautiful people around here. I welcome you all on behalf of the Saraf family and the Kila family to this amazing, beautiful night which has been gathered and curated for all of you. ये आज की शाम जो है वो बहुत ही खास है। कुछ सूफियाना अंदाज से हम आपके सामने ये खूबसूरत सी शाम रखेंगे so that you can salute us and congratulate the family members who are here with all their love. All I expect you people to do is maintain that beautiful smile that you have on your face at this moment and continue with that spirit throughout the night. जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ आज हमारी दो खूबसूरत फैमिलीज की जो आज के दिन मिलने वाली है ये सूफियाना अंदाज में जो आज हम आपके सामने रखेंगे. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a very pivotal night. It's a pivotal night because it's a night which is going to preset everything that is going to come thereafter. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, मैं बात कर रही हूँ उस रात की जो इतनी important, इतनी खास रात है क्योंकि आज के दिन we are going to see two very special people not only come together but also get their families together and live unitedly throughout. All I want you is to do is to cheer up the family and keep your mood in the spirit high. I welcome you all once again. I am your host Tanya Dost this evening and my name is Inakshi Sharma. Thank you. Good evening once again to everyone here. Can anyone tell me where Archita and Sachit are sitting? I can visibly. Where are the two special people that I'm wanting to see? Are they here with us? वो हमारे साथ है क्या? कौन है वो? कौन है? Okay, this lady is giving me clear signals that she could be the one. I'm being suspicious here, but nevertheless, all right. These are very young people. I want to know in the crowd, is there anyone in their 20s? If you are in your 20s, give me a cheer. Give me a cheer. All right. If you're in your 30s, अगर आप अपने 30s में हैं, आवाज उठा के मुझे शाउट कीजिए. 30s. क्या हुआ? 30s में? There's no one. We have a lot of young crowd it seems, huh? Very nice, very cool. Okay, anyone in their 40s and above? 40s and above, give me a shout. चिल्ला के. Sir, आप अकेले हैं. बाकी सारे 40s and above, no one? Are you serious? So I can, all the bald men here, I'm pointing to you here. All the people with grey hair, give me a cheer. Okay, nevertheless, we have people in their 20s. I know what people in their 20s would suffer because I'm in my 20s. You know what generally happens? The problem that they suffer from is the problem, beta, shaadi kar lo. That's the problem everyone tells them. All the society uncles, all the society aunties, everyone says, beta shaadi kar lo. Right? Am I right? That's everywhere. So even when you were playing cricket, when you were young and you used to throw balls, जो एक uncle अपनी अलमीरा में बंद कर देते थे और कभी खोल के नहीं देते थे, and you, once you've grown up, you kind of wonder what did he do with all of these balls? मतलब, he would have an almirah full of balls. What would he do with so many balls, right? Like, it's kind of shocking, but whatever. That's the case that I put up. You know, this is a very special event. This is a Sufiana night, and we're going to be talking about love here. But kuch special अंदाज में, something that you've never seen before, is what we're going to present to you here. Ladies and gentlemen, there are no guesses here, and there are no surprises. I'm talking about a very special project. It's called the Kutne Kha Project. It's about a voyage into the world of music. We all know that music goes beyond boundaries or any dividends for that matter. But ये जो हमारा project है, ये music beyond boundaries है. Ladies and gentlemen, Kutne Kha Project is something that where this person, Kutlekha, is the special highlight. He delves into his folk roots and draws from his musical experience and influence of collaborating and influencing people and musicians from all over the world. He is someone, ये ऐसे इंसान है, ऐसे प्रदर्शक है जिनको आपने कोक स्टूडियो 3 में देखा है, बहुत चाहा है, बहुत सवारा है. इनको आपने, I don't know if you're well traveled, अगर आप बहुत घूमते हैं, विदेश जाते हैं, तो आपने इनको 63 countries में, हो सकता है coincidentally आपने इनको encounter किया है. And he's also someone, अगर आप टीवी देखते हैं तो आपने देखा होगा गीमा अवार्ड्स. गीमा अवार्ड्स में 2015 में he's got the composition award. Ladies and gentlemen, what remains a perfectly distilled blend of musical style with a strong Rajasthani folk roots is the person I'm talking about. And the group. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a huge round of applause because I am talking about none other than the Kutlekha project.